make with your biscotti. It is a crunchy Italian biscuit. You get its distinct crunchiness by baking it twice. You can make this recipe in a minute and you will get amazing crunchy biscuits to enjoy it with the morning coffee. You keep the yolk of this egg for later to decorate the biscuits. Mix eggs and sugar well until eggs change color. Then gradually we start adding the oil. In this step, when we start adding flour, you can add almonds, cranberries or anything else. Use oil or butter so that the dough does not stick to your hand or the work table. Now for the beautiful brown color, we use this mixture of egg yolk that we keep with a little milk and cocoa powder. Then we cooked it in the oven for the first time. We cut it and return it to the oven for the second time for a few minutes to become crunchy. This is how you get the crunchy Italian biscuits that you can enjoy in your morning coffee. I hope you try the recipe and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching me and meet you soon in the next video.